Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to set up and connect to NordVPN using the Firefox browser extension. It's a quick way to protect your browsing without running the full app. And just a reminder, if you don't have NordVPN yet, check the description for a special offer. 74% off plus 4 extra months, backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. First, go to the Firefox add-ons website and search for NordVPN. Click Add to Firefox to install. You'll be asked to grant permissions. Just click Add. Then allow it to run in private windows and click OK. Once the installation finishes, you'll see the NordVPN logo appear in the top right toolbar of Firefox. Click it and sign in with your NordVPN credentials. Now you're ready to connect. Hit Quick Connect for the fastest server based on your location, or use the search option to pick a server in the country you prefer. When you're connected, the extension will display your status as protected, so you know your browsing traffic is encrypted. You can also customize the extension. Under Settings, you'll find 3 main categories. General covers your subscription details, language preferences, and split tunneling imports. Connection lets you enable auto-connect or exclude specific sites. And Security and Privacy is where you can toggle WebRTC leak protection, Threat Protection Lite, and security warnings for unsafe websites. If you need help, you'll find support assistance right inside the extension with live chat options. Notifications will also keep you updated with news and feature updates. And that's it. The NordVPN Firefox extension is a lightweight way to protect your browsing with just a few clicks. If you'd like to try NordVPN, don't miss the 74% discount plus 4 bonus months using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.